When you get the machine, put it in the proper place. Adjust the anchor screw. Ensure the machine stability. Next, checking the accessories, including ventilation hose 2 pieces, feed bracket 1 side, negative pressure interface 2 pieces, throat hook 4 pieces, dust gun 1 side, windpipe 10 liters, toolbox 1 side. The toolbox contains 2 open spanners, 1 crescent spanner, 1 set of internal hexagonal spanner, and 1 dual-purpose screwdriver. Dedusting device accessories: ventilation hose 2 pieces, ventilation interface 2 pieces, some throat hook, positioning plate 2 pieces, some PVC duct and elbow. Preparation completed. Now let's assemble it. Step 1. Install the feed bracket. Step 2. Connect the air pump. After ventilation, adjust the air pressure value 0.6 to 0.8 MPa. Step 3. Connect the negative pressure device. First, install the negative pressure interface. Then, connect the ventilation hose and lock the throat hook. Connect the power of the negative pressure device. Pay attention to bare nut upward, and then insert the interface. Step 4. Connect the dedusting device. The dedusting interface is above the machine. You can connect it freely. The installation of the dedusting device is shown in the picture. First, install the dedusting interface. A positioning plate is arranged at the middle position above the dedusting device. Connect PVC windpipe. Connect the ventilation hose and tighten the hook. Connect the gas. Adjust air pressure after inflation 0.4 to 0.6 MPa. Step 5. Connect the power supply. The power supply of the dedusting device shall be connected according to the line number. The machine power should be connected according to the color or lane number sequence. Step 6. Replace the sending belt. Press the air value switch. After the belt loosened, remove the heat adjustment module. When installing the sending belt, Pay attention to keep the arrow direction inside of belt consistent with the sending roller rotation direction. Make sure the belt is inside the limit switch. Pull up the air value switch and tighten the belt. Step 7. Replace the sending wheel. Fix with Allen key and twist it counterclockwise the plumb wrench. Loosen and disassemble the sending wheel. When installation, pay attention to the corresponding arrow direction, that is motor rotation direction, and install the sending wheel. Pay attention, the pin must be jammed into the interface. Fix with Allen key and twisting clockwise the plumb wrench to lock. The machine assembly finished. Next, let's power on checking. Turn on the main power switch behind the machine. Turn on the emergency stop button. Click Start button. Click into the system. Machine on. Inspection and adjustment of sending belt correcting function. Click Roller 1. Click Belt. Observe the belt correcting cylinder. The video shows normal working conditions. If the cylinder doesn't work, it needs to be adjusted. First, unscrew the front plumb blossom handle and rotate the right plumb blossom handle. If the sending belt runs forward, turn the handle clockwise. On the contrary, if the sending belt runs backward, turn the handle counterclockwise until the cylinder runs normally and lock the front handle. Negative pressure equipment inspection. Click Vacuum Absorption button. Observe the negative pressure outlet when the direction is correct. Inspection of the sending wheel function. Click Rotate alternately. The sending wheel makes revolution. Click Spindle rotation. That is, the sending wheel makes rotation. Focus on the direction of rotation is correct. Inspection of conveyor belt function. Click Belt Forward to see if the belt is working properly. Turn off Belt Forward and click Reverse to see if the transfer direction is switched. Inspection finished. Next, we demonstrate the machine processing. Click Table Reset. Waiting, then click Confirm. Measure the metal sheet thickness. Input the thickness value. Click Run. Wait for the table height adjustment. Click Roller 1. Click the conveyor belt forward. Side door to see if the metal sheet contact with the belt. The fine-tune function of the table height. Repeat operation and observation until the sheet touches the belt. Click Sending Wheel Reset. Waiting. Then input plate thickness. Click Run. Wait for the sending wheel adjustment height. Turn on the power switch of the dedusting device and click to run. Click to open in sequence. Sending wheel 1, sending belt, alternating rotation, spindle rotation, conveyor belt forward rotation, according to the direction of the magnetic area into the plate. The plate with magnetic will be absorbed on the conveyor belt. Non-magnetic plate need to open the negative pressure absorption function. Observe the processing effect. If need to completely remove the oxide skin, you can fine-tune the table head. Look at the edge of the plate. If you need a larger rounded corner, you can reduce the height of standing wheel, as well as increase the spindle speed to achieve the desired processing effect. At last, the machine maintenance explanation. The photoelectric sensor in the sand shelf is to clean the dust frequently. Try to maintain once per shift or once a week as much as possible. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you next time.